Hi folks, Survival Ridge here. Keith and myself are just done a kilometre walk down to what the fall's called, Keith? Mullinahasig waterfall. It's right near where Michael Collins was shot, the village where he was shot. Yeah, so just thought I'd show you this. Hopefully Keith will fall in and we'll all have a good laugh. Bailey's in his element. We closed the shop early today just because, well, a few people have been in, have made a few quid, so it's like, right, I need a break. So we're in a beautiful place. Stunning. Apparently Keith's dad, Mac the Knife, used to come and camp out here. There's a campsite just in front of where Bailey is now. What a place to camp. Absolutely stunning. Really nice. Ooh. Into the footing. So folks, just thought I'd share that with you. Nice place. Another beautiful beauty spot in Ireland. So, when you're out about in the woods, don't forget to stay prepared. Survival Ridge out.